Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on a Vivo Y35. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here try to find Firefox. Now select it and click install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that app. Here we can customize it, so pick a different theme. You can also switch toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices, switch the privacy settings, read the privacy notice and click on start browsing. Here open any website and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.